foods to add to a low-fat diet. Number 1, whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat pasta, oats, and oatmeal. Number 2, legumes, beans, black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, lentils, peas. Number 3, healthy fats, avocado nuts, almonds, walnuts, pistachios, seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds, sunflower seeds. Number 4, cooking oils, olive oil, canola, oil grapeseed, oil. Number 5, snacks, air-popped popcorn, vegetable sticks with hummus, fresh fruit. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.